Welcome back, my pups. Today I'm trying to be extra quiet because we just got a new member in the house. Gene, what did we get?
2 parakeets.
Yep. What?
Leviathan and Grout.
This one's the green one, that's Groot. And then this one up here, the blue one, that's Leviathan. Then they have a huge cage. Food, water, but yeah, these are the 2 parakeets. First day at the house. Hi. Oh, look at them. They're so cute. Look at them. I wish you could see them better, but the lines in here is pretty bad. Look at this. Look at the parakeets while I figure out how to turn this thing on. Show you how you turn this thing on. Turn it on first. Please try. Okay. It's over. Okay, thank you, Jane. James, grab me. There we go. They're in better color now. Oh, they turned their heads away. They don't like that bright.
That's bright.
But they're really pretty birdies. Brand new parakeets. I like the blue one the best. Don't judge me. Oh, you have good taste in animals.
Your mom wanted one of the other ones. He's pretty. I made sure he was 3 colors. He's even got a blue tail look.
Yes.
I made sure he was 3 colors, but this one I picked. I liked it.
Yeah, I like
this one. This little Andreas. Look, when we went to go pick them all up. Now all the birds run to the side of the cage, right?
Yep.
He's at the top of the cage hanging upside down like he didn't care. So that's why I got him. And then this one was on top of the tree like I don't care. And so that's why I got him. But all the other ones ran, so that's why I got them too, because they stayed.
Seems like they're pretty brave birds. But yeah. So now I've got birds. You know Icy Side has birds?
What?
Sam has birds.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I used to have a big one. Like he was like 3 times that size, and he would talk up a storm.
I don't. Oh my god.
He used to mock my grandmother. And you thought it was her talking the whole time. Cussing out of nowhere and all kinds of stuff.
Oof.
Here
So Icy Side has one named Captain Jack, and he has another one. But yeah, these are our new parakeets. I'm proud. Eventually, I will get to hold them. Hopefully.
I hope this one.
Yeah.
With a glove on.
Yeah, they'll bite you. Be careful, they'll bite you.
They weren't that bad. The blue one wasn't that bad. They just jumped out. They tried to fly away.
But you got their wings clipped.
No, I didn't do it. The pet store did.
But you're gonna get them clipped again.
Because they'll be smart enough to open the cage soon.
Oof. And then we'll just see them hopping around.
And then one day when you come in, they'll try to fly the door.
Oh god.
So you gotta get wings, but
Yeah.
Mommy wants to keep them.
Yeah, I like them too. They're pretty birdies. Look, this one's just so curious about what I'm doing with my hand. It's like,
Okay, let it peck you.
I don't want to. Yeah, I know, Nas. Look.
Are you filming on a YouTube video?
Yes,
That's gonna be your
Nas.
newest YouTube video.
Yes, about my birds. Or more like Gene and Mom's birds.
No, they're all your mom's.
Oh, my mom's birds.
They need your
They're so
Netflix.
pretty.
They need your Netflix. What was that for?
Just like
What?
so they can see.
How long is this video gonna be?
These are Leviathan
Yeah.
and Groot.
How long is the video gonna
These
be?
are my birds. Stop, Nas.
I am her friend.
Okay, Nas.
We are.
This one is Leviathan.
Peace.
Subscribe
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Okay, you two.
Which is known as What Face Face.
But
Subscribe to this guy's channel, which is known as the worst channel on the planet.
can you two stop? I'm trying to outro. But yeah, my pups. That was where Leviathan and Groot, my mom's 2 newest parakeets. She's never had parakeets before, so if she does something wrong, you know I'm gonna film it. But yeah, my pups. But yeah, pups, I'll see you next time.
Oh, no! I hit that. I hit that for the top right. My room.
I'm trying to do my outro, but apparently these...
Go in the bathroom. Lock the door.
But, yeah, my pups.
No. Why?
But, yeah, my pups, like I've been trying to say, this will be the ending of the video. So, peace, my pups.